Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video we will talk a little about the pawnshop asset where you can collect items, sell items, deposit or withdraw your funds and consult your transactions. This asset, like all of our other assets, was designed to work with the keyboard in case you want to implement gamepad compatibility later on for consoles or even to work with Steam Deck. The asset has two demonstration items for the player to collect and sell in the pawnshop, as for example jewelry and paintings. Since a pawnshop needs a money system, we also included the money and ATM system of our other assets so that you don't need to spend your money unnecessarily twice. So the ATM allows the player to deposit the funds currently in the wallet, withdraw requested amounts from the bank account, or even check all movements made through the account. Despite being interactive with the mouse, it is also adapted so that the mouse cursor is moved with the joystick of your gamepad and simulates your clicks using the A button on your gamepad. Unfortunately, due to engine incompatibility, this specific function is only available in Unreal Engine 5. Every time the player sells an item to the pawnshop, all the money is paid in cash, so it won't show up on the ATM at the transactions, but also it's really easy to change it in case you want it. The pawnshop also gives you the ability to sell each item individually or simple sell all at once. If you found it useful, you can see more details on the product page. The link will be in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.